So hello guys, hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can earn from $20 to $25 in just 25 or 20 minutes, I can say. So we are going to create a SEO optimized Facebook page. So for that, you just don't need to worry about any single thing. I'm going to show you guys the whole process, literally the whole process, from where you can find the project and clients to the page creation, how you can create an SEO optimized Facebook page, as well as finally how to deliver this page to your client. So just try to follow the whole tutorial and watch the video till the end so that you don't miss on any of the steps, and you can just earn about $20 to $25 by just watching this whole complete video. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So here you can see that I am on Fiverr.com, and let us search for Facebook page creation. So you can see over here that there are a wide range of charges that are charged by the people, freelancers. So here you can see that this person is just going to set up and optimize Facebook page creation for $5, and then you can see over here. So I'll be doing. Let us browse down. So see, I will do Facebook page creation. He will be charging $10, and then you can see over here that I will create, manage, and grow up your Facebook page. So it's $20. Then so this person will just create the Facebook page, so he'll charge again $10. So basically you can just add a few more features that I shall be showing you guys. That is the call to action button, as well as in case you just design the logo as well as the cover page for the client, then you can charge extra money. So I told that you can earn about $20 to $25 just by creating a Facebook page. Also, you can give one more service that I shall be showing at the end of this video, so make sure to watch the whole video. That can again increase the charges that you will be charging to your client. So you can again charge around $5 to $10 more to provide that service. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So let us first understand what are the services that these freelancers are providing. Let us just have a look at it. So let me open it over here. So you can see that this person who is charging just $5 is creating your page, button setup, responsive auto reply, profile, and cover image. Okay. So, and then in the standard package, he'll be also sharing like the previous whole package, as well as the about and story optimization, design to post with sharing. So you people can definitely just design to post, and how to optimize it by SEO, I'll show you guys that also. So let us look at the premium service that he's providing. So in the premium service, he will be just providing with 7 posts that is extra, around 5 post extra, and for that he'll be taking around $50. Okay, so let us have a look at another profile. For example, let us see this $20. So what she'll be doing is that she'll create the page and nothing else. See, just the page creation, I guess. And in the standard delivery, she'll be also scheduling the post. So you can see that the basic charge, that is just to create and optimize the page. She'll be also delivering it in 2 days, I guess she said that. And for just creating the channel, that is the Facebook page, so she'll be taking around $20. So you can see over here that there is a huge scope. Let us now look at the requirements that your clients shall provide you, or the information that your client shall give you. So basically your client need to give you these all list of 12 things. Basically, I have sorted it out. So the very first thing that your client need to provide you is the business name, category, and then phone number and address. So basically you need the phone number. You need to mention it to your client that you need the phone number, because if you place the call to action button, then over there you need to have your phone number, your client's phone number. You need to enter it. So you need to give this reason to your client. Then the address, then email address, website, in case you want to link the website. So this is just optional. In case the client doesn't have any website, then also it's fine. Then profile picture or logo or and cover picture. So basically you can charge over here extra. Most of the client doesn't have this. In case they are a startup, they don't even have a cover picture and logo, so you can provide them and charge them extra $10. Then hours of working, privacy policy is again an optional thing. Then call to action information, that is whether the client wants the visitors to directly call them or to email them their query. So then about us, so this should be max 255 characters. And basically here also there is a scope of charging extra from your clients, that is in case the client doesn't provide you with a satisfactory about us, then you can just suggest them that I shall make it for you, and I shall do a proper keyword research, and then I shall make it and optimize it according to SEO. So there will be more chances of the page getting ranked. And then the long description, so you can combine these two, as well as like in this also long description, that will be for the cover page, so you need to include your keywords over here also. And during the video, I shall give you one more advice regarding SEO, how to improve your SEO. So basically, whatever logo or cover image you shall be uploading, just rename that cover image according to any keyword that is specific to the client. So client shall provide you this whole information in Word file or PDF format. So that was it. So okay guys, so let us move on to how to create a Facebook page. So for that you need to log into your Facebook account, and then from home create a new page. And then the very first thing that you're gonna do is go to settings, and in the general section you are gonna go to page visibility and then edit it, and then do page unpublished. So basically we are doing this because we need to make all the changes final, and then we shall publish it. So you need to provide the reason. So you can provide additional content is missing, so that now your page is unpublished. So now go to page info. So this is the section where things that I already talked about, we are going to add it. So the description that I told about, it should be 255 characters long, the short description. Then you are going to add the phone number. So make sure that this is a valid phone number, and then you can also provide an optional extension. So you can also check in the box that my page doesn't have any phone number. Then over here you are going to write your website. So basically this is the website on which the people can visit in order to just know more about the business. And then you can add the email address. So this can be the official email address as well as the Gmail email address. It can be anything. So adding an email address makes it easier for customers to contact you, and they can directly email to this address. Also, in case of security purpose, if you don't want it, so you can check the button that my page doesn't have any email address, and then make sure to save the changes every time. It has individual save changes buttons, so make sure to click that. Moving on to the address section, so make sure to add the address as well as point the location exactly to your office location, so that this may help the customers to find your location. And unticking this box shall hide the address from your page. So basically this is just for placing the address. So let me point it to India somewhere over here. Okay. And then moving on to next section, that is the service area. So service area is basically the area other than your main office area where your services are being provided. So it can be, for example, any other city, nearby city or nearby place where your address where your services are being provided. So let us type Ahmedabad. So these are multiple office location where your business is operating basically. So it's not that mandatory, but it's good if you provide so that customers can select nearest town. Now coming on to opening hours, so it can be always open, no hours available, permanently closed. And for open hours, it can be that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday to Friday, it can be the thing. So you can just check in that option and provide the customized timings and then do save changes. And then temporary service charges. So it's operating as usual or temporarily closed or open with service charges. So it can be delivery, pickup, other charges. So this is just an additional stuff. So for most of the business, this is not something really important. And then there are some more additional changes, that is the privacy policies, products, etc., so that you can add in case you want your customers to know it. So these are the basic changes, most important ones, which are to be done by you. So now you get it. So this is very simple, right? You guys might be thinking. So yes, people do charge around $10 for just making this whole page and adding these all settings. So how are you going to optimize it is basically just also make sure that you add your keywords in short description that I am adding right now. So I'm just adding a dummy sentence, but you can conversation, so you can manually enter it. But these are the setup features and editing preferences basically. So you don't need to do this, but just for your information, I am showing you guys on how to add this kind of messenger conversation also. So basically, this is just the extra thing that you need to do. And let us move on to another section. So let us visit the page again. So basically, your basic Facebook page creation along with SEO optimization is ready, almost ready. So all you need to do is now to upload a profile picture and add a cover picture. So you can charge extra $10 to $15 for this service. I should make a separate video on this also. So now another important thing that I was going to tell you is you can create a page with custom URL. So for that you need to just get 25 likes. So you can do this anyway by telling your friends or relatives to like the page, and then you can charge even extra service for that, because it is basically very easier as well as it is very convenient to have such custom URLs for your client, and you can do that. So, and another thing is that while you are uploading cover image, make sure that the image name, change the image name with any keywords or something like that. So it is again good for SEO perspective. And also another change in cover picture is that you can you need to add a description, and this is the description, this is the long description, and in this description again you are going to add and target your keywords. So basically this is also a really good SEO trick that most of the SEO experts use, and it's really important to target keywords over here also, because most of the clients are going to see your cover picture as well as your logo. So now moving on to call to action button, that is adding a page button. So basically you can make a booking with you or contact you. It can be this kind of pages, this kind of buttons. So in contact you, again we have this contact as send message, call now, sign up, send message, send email, and send WhatsApp message. So basically we are gonna do let us try WhatsApp. So for WhatsApp, what is gonna happen is that you need to enter your mobile number, and then there will be an OTP so sent to your mobile number, so you need to verify that. So basically I'm not you can do that also. That would be an additional feature if you provide to your client. And other than that, what you can do is that so over here you can see that you need to select the country code and then add the phone number, so it will send a code on it. So basically just verify the WhatsApp number of your client. In case the client doesn't provide you the WhatsApp number, then you can go for another option, that is to add a call button. So for that again we'll go to contact you and then call now, and now you need to add the phone number. So adding a phone number, this will be the same phone number that you added previously, so it can be like the clients who are visiting this page shall directly contact your client. Okay, so click on finish. Another thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that how you can now deliver this project. Now you're done with the whole setup of the project, so now let us move on to the most important thing, the final thing, that is how you'll deliver this whole created page to your client. So for that, go to settings and then select page roles over here on the very left hand side. Okay, so basically what you are gonna do is that add your client Facebook ID as another page admin. So by this, what will happen is that your client will get a notification on his Facebook account that he has been granted an access to this page. So it will be, so he or she will become the admin for this page, and later on he can just remove you in case, or even he can change your role to editor or something. So there are other roles also you can see over there by hovering over the editor, by clicking on the editor button. So basically you can finally deliver it like this. So this was it for today's video. I hope you like it, and make sure to just let me know in the comment section if you face any difficulty in making the page or maybe getting the clients or anything like that. I'll make sure to answer all your queries. So thank you guys for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe the video. And also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And thank you guys for watching this whole video.